Wow, good job. Good job. Yeah, get those arms moving. Get those arms working too. Good exercise.
Are you really excited? It's your 4-month birthday? Are you really 4 months today?
Wow.
How excited are you? Are you excited?
Doing a good job.
Whoa, the double kicker.
You're a wild man.
Oh my gosh, he's so
Are you
funny.
only 4 months old? Because you seem wild. Wild. Yes. That's a great one. Yeah.
If only you were a happy baby. And sadly, this is your bedtime. All right, party man. All right, party man.
No. Hopefully you're going to wear out. Oh, really?
That's him saying, yeah, right. I'm not falling asleep anytime soon.
You've been resting up all day long. Good job. Yes. Yes. Are you breathing? Are you breathing hard there?
Okay, Brock, you're hilarious. We're going to turn off the camera now, though, because he's not stopping anytime soon.